moms so important? Why are moms so important?
Because they do a lot of things for you. Because moms do a lot of things for you.
Because they feed you.
Ready?
Because they feed you. Because they feed you. Because they love you.
Because they love.
Because they love you.
Because they love you.
Because they take care of you and feed you. Because they help you. I don't know.
You want to think about it?
Because they feed you and take care of you. Because they help you. Because they take care of you.
One more time, a little louder.
Because they take care of you. Because they love you.
Because they take care of you when you're sick.
They take care of you. Because they love you.
Because they take care of you when you're sick.
They feed. They feed them. Because they help you get to school on time.
Because they love you. Because when you're sick, they take care of you.
They make food for
They can help you when you're sick and take care of you and